Welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us, anxiety. But here's the twist. What if I told you that your anxiety could actually be a powerful tool for success? In this video, we'll explore how to turn fear into fuel and use anxiety to drive your success. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what anxiety really is. Anxiety is a natural response to stress. It's your body's way of preparing you to face challenges. Whether it's a big presentation at work, an important exam, or a life-changing decision, anxiety can trigger that fight or flight response. But instead of running away, we can learn to harness that energy. So, how do we turn anxiety into a driving force for success? Here are some practical strategies. Tip number 1. Acknowledge your feelings. It's okay to feel anxious. Don't suppress those emotions. Instead, recognize them. Write down what you're feeling and why. This can help you understand your triggers and take control of your anxiety. Tip number 2. Reframe your thoughts. Instead of thinking, "I can't do this," try saying, "This is an opportunity for growth." Changing your mindset can transform fear into motivation. The next time you feel anxious, ask yourself, "What can I learn from this?" Tip number 3. Use anxiety as a motivator. Channel that nervous energy into action. If you're anxious about an upcoming presentation, use that adrenaline to practice your speech, refine your points, and prepare thoroughly. Remember, action is the antidote to anxiety. Tip number 4. Set small, achievable goals. Break down your big tasks into smaller steps. This makes them less overwhelming and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. Celebrate those victories. They'll boost your confidence. Tip number 5. Seek support. Talk to friends, family, or a mentor about your feelings. Sometimes just sharing your worries can lighten the load. Plus, you might get valuable advice or a fresh perspective. Tip number 6. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help you stay grounded and calm your mind. When you're more centered, you can face your fears with clarity and confidence. Finally, tip number 7. Reflect and learn. After facing a challenge, take time to reflect on what you did well and what you could improve. This practice not only helps you grow, but also prepares you for future challenges. Remember, anxiety isn't your enemy. It can be a powerful ally when you learn to harness it. By turning fear into fuel, you can achieve incredible things. So the next time you feel that familiar knot in your stomach, remind yourself that it's just energy waiting to be transformed into action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal growth and success. Let's turn our fears into fuel together.